Alright guys, today is going to be a little update on the West Texas Cruiser. It's 38 degrees here, just dropped the kid off at school. I'm on days off, so I figured now's a good time to shoot this video. Kind of update everybody. So just so everybody knows, I did put a Borla exhaust on this thing, and it's a Borla exhaust. It's a bolt-on kit. It was very simple, but my mileage did not change at all. I know they claim maybe a mile to the gallon better. That's not true, but who cares? It sounds cool. It entertains me for my 8-hour drives. But we're just driving through close to the house. Dropped the kid off at school, got the cookies to school. Everybody's happy. It's Friday, hopefully. But I just wanted to give an update on the exhaust. Like I say, no improvements from the Borla exhaust install other than sound. Sure, it pimps up a lot more. It's real peppy for a killer 4-cylinder, so you gotta really watch your foot. But no, I'm messing around. 4-banger, it'll run. I mean, it gets up and down the hills, and now it makes a little racket when you pass people, and whatever, who cares? But so that's the update. I will be ordering an air intake probably here in the near future. Just why not? I'm not gonna get the I looked at the engine style one, the one that has the longer pipe, and to where it tucks the filter down into the fender, or right underneath the bumper. But I don't know that that's a good idea for me, being that I drive so much in the rain, and the dust is awful out there in West Texas. But I was looking underneath the hood, and it looks like it already has it already kind of pulls from the fender, so I don't really see the point in reinventing the wheel. If it's already pulling from down by the bumper, we'll just put the filter inside the actual engine bay, instead of pulling from the very bottom, and then we'll just let the airflow come into the filter like that with the shorter intake. Probably go with AM, just because I've run those on my diesels, and I like their filters. I never had any issues. But I'll probably run those guys just for air intake. I don't expect any better performance or anything of that nature, but why not? But let's see. Toyotas are tricky. Anyway, let's do a 0 to, 80, 90 run, shall we? Too cold for that nonsense. I need to figure out how to clip in and do the disclaimer, like, don't do this at home, but whatever. If you don't like it, get over it. Anyway, that's the West Texas Runner, guys. I figure I would update, and like I say, if you're looking for fuel mileage increases with an exhaust, it's a waste of time and money. If you're looking for sound difference, something to entertain you, if you got to drive for, let's just say, 8 hours, hey, why not? But anyways, guys, that's the West Texas Runner. We're up to 22,000 miles on her. I bought her with 4,600, and last October be a year. Holy moly. Anyway, take care, guys. Catch y'all later.